Welcome. In today's guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps on how to export public channels on the Telegram app for PC after the new update. This process makes it easy to save and review the content you follow without missing anything important. First, open up your Telegram application on your computer. Once it's open, take a look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll notice three small horizontal lines. Click on them to open the main menu. Next, head into the Settings section. Inside Settings, you'll see several options, but what we need is called Advanced. Click on Advanced to continue. Now scroll down until you find the section titled Export Telegram Data. This is where Telegram lets you choose what kind of information you'd like to export. Since our focus here is only the public channels, make sure you select just that option. Uncheck everything else to keep the export clean and specific. After you've selected public channels, go ahead and click on the Export button. Depending on the size of the channels you're subscribed to, the export might take a little while, so just give it a few moments to finish processing. Once the export is complete, you'll see an option that says Show My Data. Click on it, and Telegram will open up the exported content in a folder on your computer. Here, you'll be able to browse through all the information from your public channels in a neatly organized format. This new update makes exporting much more straightforward, giving you control over exactly what data you want to save. It's particularly useful if you follow a lot of public channels and want to keep an offline copy of updates or information shared there. And that's all there is to it. In just a few minutes, you can have your exported public channels ready to view whenever you need them. So, if you've been looking for a simple way to manage your Telegram data more effectively, this method is the perfect solution. By following these steps, you'll always have the content you enjoy right at your fingertips, even outside the Telegram app.